Greetings, faithful tubers. I'm going to unbox the old Milwaukee 10-piece locking plier set. 4822 36900 is the part number. Got the old torque lock up here instead of the knurled end on most. This is for más rápido ajuste. That means faster setup. Alright, let's open it up. Freaking A, why did they make this? What would AvE do? Oh yeah, this is definitely what AvE would do. Die, you demonic bonds of molecular adhesion. Die. Die. It's kind of, it's a little bit anticlimactic here. Alright, good enough. Might ought to let this cool down for a moment. I sprayed it down, but that might have been kind of stupid. Let's see. Oh, look at that. There we go. Get her done. There you go. That's a 10-piece set. Go pick it up. Enjoy.